Hello, if you want to turn on events on the Redmi Watch 5 Active, you will have to grab your Mi Fitness application, click on a device, and when you are here, you will have to go for apps, and in this place you will have to go for the task reminders. So there's like no events right here, but it works the same, the task reminders. Click to add task and input a description right here. Now tap on this reminder and pick the reminder time and repeat. So you can change the reminder date, time, and also repeat. You can get it like for the custom every Monday, for example. Click continue and click here to confirm. And now, as you can see, it appears just right here and also in this application, which will be located just right here. Take a look. There we go. Thanks for watching.